Movie camera video title Money Bag: How to Make Money as a Graphic Designer. Hand waving intro. Hi there. Have you ever wondered how to make money as a graphic designer? In this video, we'll be sharing some of the best ways you can use your design skills to earn money. Whether you're a freelancer or looking to start your own design business, we've got you covered. Let's dive right in. Glowing star topic 1. Freelancing. Freelancing is a great way to earn money as a graphic designer. You can start by creating a portfolio of your work and then look for freelance opportunities on websites like Fauj, Upwork, and Freelancer. It is essential to build your reputation and keep your portfolio updated to attract potential clients. Once you have a steady flow of work, you can set your own rates and work from anywhere in the world. With discipline and hard work, you can turn freelancing into a full-time job. Another essential aspect of freelancing is invoicing. You should always keep track of the work you've done and send an invoice to your client for payment. Some freelancing platforms have a built-in invoicing system, while others require you to manually create and send an invoice. Keeping track of your invoices is crucial for financial planning, taxes, and filing your income. Glowing star topic 2. Design contests. Participating in design contests is another great way to showcase your skills and earn money. Many big companies organize design contests where they offer cash prizes to the winners. You can find design contests on websites like 99 Designs, Design Hull, and Crowdspring. It's a great way to build your portfolio and get recognized for your work. Glowing star topic 3. Starting your own design business. If you're looking to build a long-term career as a graphic designer, starting your own design business is an excellent option. You can start by defining your niche and target audience, building a strong brand identity, and creating a website to showcase your work. It's essential to have a clear pricing structure, business plan, and marketing strategy to succeed in this competitive field. Hand-waving outro, and there you have it. We hope you found these tips and strategies helpful in making money as a graphic designer. Remember, making money takes time and effort, so don't get discouraged if it doesn't happen overnight. Keep learning, growing, and exploring new opportunities, and you're sure to achieve success.